In today's video, we will be talking about 17 coolest gadgets for men you can buy right now. Number 17. Portable Grill. This is a grill and warming rack. It handles double as a stand so you can grill safely on any surface. Its stainless steel grill area is big enough to cook a couple of sausages, and there's also a warming rack. It also has a storage tray where you can keep the tools. Number 16. Camping Tripod Board. This camping tripod board can be adjusted to make cooking more comfortable while you camp. Wherever you go, just put the small steel board in your backpack, and you won't bother to hang pot stoves anymore. Number 15. RovyVon E200U Rechargeable LED Flashlight. This flashlight comes with two types of UV light. It can also be used for self-defense with its built-in strobe mod that disorients an attacker for minutes. The flashlight runs up to 135 hours in low mod, and the light indicators will show you the battery status. Number 14. DTV Shredder Vehicle. This vehicle is a hybrid of a tank, a skateboard, and a stand-up jet ski. It has a curved skateboard deck that makes it comfortable to stand, and high agility that allows you to perform the widest tricks on even 35-degree hills. This is a powerful engine that runs at 25 miles per hour and has a 1-gallon gas tank. That gives you several hours of a ride before you need to top up. Number 13. Bike Phone Mount. This adjustable bike phone mount is way more reliable when riding on high mountains or performing jump tricks. The holder allows quick switching between portrait and landscape modes and maintains a particular angle no matter how bumpy the road is. Number 12. Folding Pocket Knife. This pocket knife has a sophisticated locking mechanism. You can deploy the blade with a push of a thumb, and the handle makes the knife an extension of your hand. It is safe when folding, so you can fix the tool with a clip in your pocket. Number 11. Hunt 4.0 Flashlight. This is a powerful flashlight that will help you start a fire in any condition. It has a built-in rechargeable flashlight that works up to 7 hours on one charge. The tool is completely waterproof. Number 10. Floating Backpack. This backpack allows you to carry more loads when hiking, and also reduces the stress of the weight on your body. The backpack is placed on a special frame that slides up and down when you're walking, running, or doing any other kind of activity. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you're enjoying the content. Number 9. Barbossa Hair Straightener. This is a hair and beard straightener that works with any length and type of hair. It has advanced thermal technology, which makes it possible to get close to the root without damaging your skin or hair. This means your skin won't get burnt, and your hair will also be straight along the entire length. Number 8. Beast Athlete Tracker. This is an easy-to-wear device that gathers all the essential info about your training. It measures the speed and power of your exercises. It helps you take real-time notices about your exercises. Number 7. Rapid Raft. This is an inflatable raft that you can fold and take anywhere you go. All you have to do is to unfold the raft, scoop some air, and fold the creases to make sure they are tightly sealed. After that, adjust the air pressure using the one-way valve if needed. You can set it up in less than a minute, which is crucial in emergencies like flooding. Number 6. Lark Bottle Pitcher. This is a self-cleaning water bottle with a filter pitcher that purifies and enhances the quality of your drinking water. It uses a unique two-step method that involves an activated carbon filter and a Purvis wand. A blue UV light produced by the Purvis wand cleans the water and prevents the growth of biocontaminant in the water and pitcher. Number 5. Octo Versatile Titanium 18-in-1 Carabiner. This multi-tool replaces an entire toolbox. It has several screwdrivers and wrenches to fix things on the go. It comes with other tools like a glass breaker, a built-in ruler, a wire stripper, a bottle opener, and bit holders. Since it is a carabiner, you can hang your keys in the main body or hook them onto the keyhole. Number 4. Hadas Tone 2 Pro Headphone Amplifier. This amplifier works with all kinds of devices and allows you to listen to quality audio. All you have to do is to connect it to your smartphone via USB, and you can plug it with up to 2 pairs of headphones. Number 3. M1911H Reloading Card Holder. This card holder looks exactly like an M1911 magazine. It can hold 6 cards, 6 cigarettes, and 20 business cards. Just like the magazine, the card holder has a double diamond pattern and is made from the same materials. When you press the button by the side, the magazine will drop in your hand, and with a finger, you can remove the card you need. Number 2. The Crep-Tied Sneakers. These sneakers were not only made uniquely, but they also have an interesting shape. The entire shoe is 3D printed and made of TPE. This unique polymer combines elasticity, flexibility, and tensile strength. The name of the shoe, Cryptid, refers to extinct or legendary creature toes, and if you walk on the ground in these shoes, you can leave footprints resembling those of a Bigfoot. This is why the sole's odd shape was chosen. Number 1. Geek Multi-Tool. This steel key features a whole bunch of various drivers and wrenches. Aside from that, there are 2 types of rulers, the bike spoke key and a wire stripper in case you need to repair some electronics.